Hello, students. Welcome. Welcome to my course AI Fundamentals and Building AI Agents. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shan Munir. I graduated in computer engineering from Engineering University Lahore. I did my master's in artificial intelligence from University of the West Scotland, London. And then I assume a position of graduate assistant in Engineering University Lahore. I am also working as a guest researcher at German Research Institute for AI, also known as DFKI. I have designed this course for the students that want to learn not only the basics of artificial intelligence, but also want to learn the modern concepts and modern evolution of AI that we call agent system. We also call it as agentic system. It is also known as multi-agent system. The if we see the daily if we see the daily activities on different social medias, we can see some kind of chatbots. We also see some customer support chatbots as well that you can see that is basically the product of AI agents. So AI has evolved with the very passionate concepts in its foundations to solve the real world problems. It has also reduced the labor cost as well. Uh, I, ha- I have designed this course in two different parts. The first parts will cover the fundamentals of AI, and the second part would be based on the advanced concepts that we will discuss in this course. One more important aspect, aspect I will highlight here is this course is not a theoretical one but practical one, which means we will cover practical stuff most of the time instead of relying only on the theory of the course. Let me give you the outline of the course that we will be cover. This course is going to be 10 to 12 weeks course. First 4 to 5 weeks will be regarding the fundamentals of AI, and the rest of the weeks will cover the advanced technique, advanced concepts of AI, including agentic system or AI agents. One more thing I would like to highlight here. We will cover not only the coding area of the course, but we will try to learn some basics workflow using no code or low code tools as well. In the week one, we will cover fundamentals of artificial intelligence. We will be looking at what the artificial intelligence is, what are the types of it, and what are the real world application where we can see the AI being helping the human for solving daily life problems. Almost in every field, you can see the AI is a major part of the organization. In the chapter 2, we will cover some basic concepts of Python programming. We will quickly go through some of the very basic concepts such as data variables, control structures, rule-based programming, and object-oriented design in the Python. And in the week 2, we will be covering some API related code for which we can develop the agents. In the same week, we will be covering some theoretical aspects of AI agents, and going forward, we will see how we can how we can design intelligent system based on some definite principles and rules. And then we will see how these design and principle will give us an agentic system or multi-agent system. Basically, what is the multi-agent system? How the agents communicate with each other and how they provide us a comprehensive solutions to our problem will be the main area of the topic in week 3. And finally, we will be doing a capstone project 1 that will be covering the stuff that we will discuss in first 3 weeks. That will be a fundamental projects, and on we will cover some different ideas, like we will be working on developing AI agents for different domains. And then we will be taking this project to our final capstone project as well. So the project will be one, but it will be completed in 2 phase, from basics to advanced. So in this we will be covering the very basic part of the main projects that you will be evaluated on at the end of this course. Going forward in the advanced section of this agent system, building AI agent, we will be covering machine learning and deep learning foundational concepts in week 1 of the part 2. You will be looking the key paradigms and foundational concepts behind the machine learning. We will be looking some machine learning models like SVM, regression, logistic regression, and classification. In this week as well, we will be solving some mathematical, we will be developing some mathematical understanding of these basic models as well. In the week 2, we will see how deep learning models such as convolution neural network, and a recurrent neural network works, and what is the basic architecture, and then we will see how we can deploy those models. I am planning to give you a comprehensive touch about dockerization and containerization in this week as well. So that will be a main, you can see the main concepts for deploying the AI models. In the week 3, this is going to be an important one, because our agent systems base developed will be developed by these natural language processing models. In the other words, you can say natural language processing is the base of agents, AI agent. So in this week, we will be focusing more on understanding the architecture and techniques of the different language processing model. We will be looking at dialogue system in this as well. The most important is sequence to sequence, that will give you a comprehensive knowledge how language models and agents will respond to your prompts. And in the week 4, we will be looking how we can give autonomy to our AI, to our agents. Basically, in this week, we will cover how reasoning and critical thinking can be developed in large language models. We will be looking some practical tools integration in this week as well. In the week 5, we will do some case study on LLM agents, and we will be looking vector databases and RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation. That is also an important concept in agent system. We will be covering this as well. And finally, in the week 6 or maybe in the week 7, we will be doing capstone project 2. That is the continuation of the fundamental project in part 1. We will be also looking the evaluation criteria of these AI agents. If we can bring some optimization in there, and most importantly, this optimization in the context of agent system would be based on prompt engineering and prompt design. So that is an important part of this agent system. We will be discussing some of the prompt engineering and prompt designs concepts as well. It is always said that if you give a good prompt to a language model, the response would be awesome or nearly equal to the human being. So that is the course outline that we will be covering in the coming weeks. Uh, I will try to give you the practical experience in this course instead of just giving you the material or delivering the concepts that you will forget after 2 to 3 months. That I don't want to be. So along with the concepts, we will practice together the practical stuff, or how we can utilize, how we can implement this, or how we can implement these concepts in our real world scenarios. uh, I will also give you some ideas to work on the projects from different domain, and I will also work with you to solve your problems if you stuck anywhere. uh, and and we will complete this project as well. Thank you. See you in the course soon.